Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Thank you Chairperson. Apa khabar Jakarta? Hope all of you doing great and always being blessed by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Inshallah today I would like to present a little information about building information modeling and its challenges for the Malaysian construction business. Hope this presentation finds you well and give benefit to all, inshallah. This is the content of my presentation for today. I will explain to you about BIM until the benefit of BIM, challenges, the implementation strategies, and then I will conclude my presentation. Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is a digital process that allows the creation and management of a detailed 3D model of a building or structure. Okay, BIM has been adopted by the construction industry as a way to improve the collaboration, to reduce costs, and increase efficiency throughout the construction process. The construction industry involved in the BIM implementation is mostly the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. And according to Tayyip et al. In 2022, the last few decades have seen an exponential growth in the Industrial Revolution. At present, many developing countries are trying to adapt themselves to the current trend of Industry 4.0, and this also includes Malaysia. Despite that, there is a lack of attention given to its application in the construction sector, especially for the small and medium-sized enterprise, or we call it as the SMEs. It means that BIM has also influenced the business of construction sector at all levels with different impact. BIM has become increasingly popular in Malaysia's construction industry due to the ability to improve the collaboration between many parties in the construction player, reduce costs, and increase efficiency throughout the construction process. The Malaysian government has encouraged the adoption of BIM through various initiatives, including the Construction Industry Transformation Plan and the digitalization of the construction industry policy. And the government has set a target of 50% of construction projects to use BIM by 2020. As Malaysia moving forward construction 4.0, many projects are still adopting the conventional approach. Moreover, the implementation of BIM is still in the preliminary stage and the number of adopters are still low. This is according to Construction 4.0 Strategic Plan, which is carried out by the Construction Industry Development Board for 2021 up to 2025. And for your information, Malaysia is ranked 26 over 63 for unique purpose of construction charts and graphics of world economics. One of the benefits of BIM in the Malaysian construction industry is that it allows for better collaboration and communication among stakeholders, including architects, engineers, contractors, and clients. The building information modeling enables stakeholders to share real-time data, which can help to reduce errors and improve project outcomes. From a study done by Roslan in 2019, architect profession is the biggest user of BIM. There are 5 elements of BIM, which are the information, people, policies, processes, technologies which drive the implementation of BIM in Malaysia. Okay? Therefore, the objective of this study to describe the benefit of building information modeling BIM and its challenges to the Malaysian construction business. One of the key benefits of BIM in Malaysia is its ability to improve collaboration and communication among stakeholders, as I mentioned before. Okay, as you know, the construction industry involve many parties in the supply chain. However, BIM allows for the sharing of real-time data, which can help to reduce errors and improve project outcome. Furthermore, BIM can also help to reduce costs and improve efficiency throughout the construction process, which can ensure the quality of the project. BIM also help to improve efficiency throughout the construction process, besides allow the simulation and testing of various design options before the construction begins, which can help to identify potential problems and reduce the need for expensive rework. Hence, the adoption of BIM in Malaysia has also presented some challenges. From my review, challenges of BIM can be categorized in four, which are the technical challenges, skill and training challenges, legal procedural challenges, and economy challenges. Despite these challenges, the adoption of BIM in Malaysia is expected to continue to grow. This would overcome the challenges associated with its implementation. From the technical aspect of the challenges of BIM software must be able to communicate effectively with other software used in the construction industry, such as CAD software, CAD software, project management software, and scheduling software. So interoperability issues can cause delays and also increase the cost. Another one, the main challenges is the need for skilled professionals who are trained in the use of BIM software. So the user must be familiar with the BIM and currently there is a shortage of BIM professionals in Malaysia, which can make it difficult for construction companies to adopt BIM. Another challenge is the need for standardization of BIM software and licensing issues. The use of BIM with different software by different stakeholders in the construction industry can create compatibility issues, complicated to use, and hinder effective collaboration. Despite the benefits, the adoption of BIM in Malaysia construction industry, the one of the challenges is the need for the skilled professional who are trained in the use of BIM software, and some stakeholders in the construction industry may be resistant to change and may be hesitant to adopt BIM, okay, due to the complexity of the software, yeah, and this can create challenges in terms of collaboration and communication. So, learning how to use BIM software can be challenging, particularly for those who are used to traditional construction methods. It may take time to get used to the new process and technologies associated with BIM. From the legal procedure challenges of BIM, the use of BIM can raise legal and contractual issues, particularly around intellectual property and liability. Therefore, there is a need for standardization in BIM contracts and legal framework to ensure its effective use. From the economic challenges of BIM requires significant investment in the software, hardware, and also the training. Small construction firms may not have the resources to invest in BIM, which can put them at a disadvantage when competing for projects. BIM generates a significant amount of data, which must be managed effectively to ensure its accuracy and usefulness. This can be difficult, particularly for large construction projects with multiple stakeholder. However, there are few strategies that need to be taken up by the government and or agency or authority to ensure the implementation of the BIM is in a good pace. There must be BIM implementation guideline, the establishment of standard code of practice, and also full BIM implementation for government and private projects, the enhancement of BIM promotion and awareness. Also, the government or the authority must provide sufficient support to all subject matter experts and adequate BIM training and seminar for the users. In conclusion, the adoption of BIM in Malaysia's construction industry is expected to continue to grow. However, to fully realize the benefits of BIM, there is a need for more skilled professional and greater standardization and interoperability of BIM software. The industry player must adapt to the new technology and change their mindset so that the BIM can be fully implemented in Malaysia. I really hope that you enjoy my simple sharing and give benefit to all who are listening to my presentation. Hope to see you again in future conference and bring further our synergy into other aspect and field as well. Feel free to contact me or scan the QR code to see my research profile. Therefore, I end my presentation with Wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.